Today we will see a spider-like excavator. It is the Menzi Muck M545X excavator, known as Spider Excavators or walking excavators. The company Menzi Muck AG is based in St Gallen's, Rhine Valley, and has been developing and producing walking excavators for over 50 years. A walking excavator's special features are based on its high-tech chassis as well as the patented boom. Various hydraulic cylinders enable wheels to adapt and support on any terrain. The excavators are powered by a Deutz 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine that is able to produce 156 horsepower. Its smooth VX drive produces a top speed of 15 km an hour and offers a swiveling speed of up to 10 RPM. Fixed tilting edges on the Menzi Muck can be adjusted depending on the task by using adjustable wheels and claw supports. These excavators are fitted with the Sozial Load Sensing Hydraulic System by Rexroth. Just like any other construction excavators, the Spider varieties come with a bucket, boom and a stick. You may be amazed to know that the cab of the excavator sits on a rotating platform which is known as the house. In the place of tracks, the Spider features a range of different leg options. The walking excavators have a maximum weight of 13,500 kilos and can produce the same power as the 20-ton excavator. As a result, these excavators produce lifting and ripping forces beyond those of other conventional excavators. Its several types of drive allow the excavators to work even under the most difficult conditions. These excavators are currently operating in different areas, including construction, track building, forestry, special civil engineering, municipal services, landscape gardening, and many more. Menzi Muck excavators range in price from between $550,000 to $600,000 US. That's all for today. I hope you like this information. For more interesting videos, follow and subscribe now, and make sure to share it. Stay connected, be updated.